guys, so for this first DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make a photo collage, and there is a giveaway in this video, so be sure to stay tuned to see what I'm giving away. So the first step in making this photo collage is that I printed out this little sign from Google Images. It just says Merry Christmas, and I glued it onto a small poster board from Dollar Tree, and then I wanted to print out some pictures, of course, to put on the poster board and make into a collage. So I got this print pocket from the print company, so thank you so much to Print for sending this to me. This device is super cool because it allows you to plug in your phone and print photos directly from your phone. So I just downloaded the Print app, and then I just printed some photos from my camera roll on my phone. So I think this device is super cute and it's super easy to use as well. So I just printed out this photo that I took in San Francisco. So I'll have the link down below in the description box so you guys can check out the print pocket. I think it's a great gift idea, and they're currently having a Black Friday / Cyber Monday sale on their website as well. And if you are an Android user, the Android print pocket is coming soon, so be sure to check the description box for a link that has more information about that. So as you can tell, I just printed out some more photos from my phone using the print pocket. And of course, if you were giving this to someone as a gift, then you could print photos of you and them together, or just photos of things that they like. And I just made this collage for myself because I know a lot of my friends and family watch my videos, so I didn't want them to know like what I was making them or getting them for Christmas. So I just printed out pictures of things that I like. So of course, Selena Gomez, a lot of you guys know she's my favorite celebrity, and my dog, as well as food and some pictures from San Francisco and LA. So the photos actually print onto sticker paper, which is really cool, and so I just removed the back of the sticker paper and stuck the photos onto the poster board, and it's as simple as that. I think this gift idea is really cute and meaningful because you could print photos of like you and that person together, and I just think it's super cute. So like I said, I'll have the print pocket linked down below, and this is what the DIY turned out to look like. So thank you so much to Print for sending me a print pocket and sending me an extra one to give away to you guys. So if you guys would like to win this print pocket, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my vlog channel. I'll have it linked down below. Comment below why you would like to win the print pocket and what country or state you live in. And this giveaway is international. If you would like extra entries, follow me on my social media, which will be linked down below. And the giveaway ends on December 16th. So good luck to everyone, and all of the rules will be in the description box as well. So the second DIY is a movie night box, and I've seen this on Pinterest a lot, and also this is a great birthday gift idea. So all I did was take some blue acrylic paint, and I just poured some on a paint palette, and then I just painted a cardboard box with the acrylic paint just so that it looked a little bit nicer. You could buy a cute box if you want, but it's obviously just cheaper to use what you already have and just to spice it up using some paint. So once the paint dried, I used some letter stickers to spell out movie night onto the box. And then I just filled the box with movies. These are definitely some throwback movies, as well as popcorn and candy and some popcorn boxes that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I printed out some clip art pictures of popcorn, and I just glued those to the sides of the box. And I also printed out a picture of a movie ticket, and I just glued that to the box as well. So that is it for this DIY. I think it is so cute, and if you know the person's favorite movie, or maybe if you go to the movies a lot with this person, this could be the perfect gift idea for them. So if you guys recreate any of the gift ideas in this video, definitely send me pictures. So the next DIY gift is a peppermint sugar scrub, and this is pretty easy to make. I found the recipe on Pinterest, but I ended up cutting it in half, I believe, because it made like way too much. So I started by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 6 tablespoons of sugar into a bowl, and I mixed that together. And then I added a few drops of peppermint essential oil and mixed that together. I think I got this peppermint essential oil from Michael's, but I know you could also get it from Amazon. And then I added 2 drops of pink food coloring. You could definitely use red food coloring for this if you would like, but then I just mixed that together, and this is what it turned out to look like. Then I just added it to this little container. We had a bunch of these containers in our kitchen, so I'm pretty sure my mom got these from Walmart. And then I added a bow. Double-sided tape or glue would have worked best for this, but this is what it turned out to look like. And I did add 2 peppermints just for decoration. This sugar scrub is not edible because we put peppermint essential oil and that's not edible. So this is just meant for dry skin, to make your skin smoother and softer. And I think this sugar scrub works really well. So that is it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. I upload new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And also don't forget to check out print and enter the giveaway. Also be sure to check out my previous video, which was DIY Christmas treats. You can click on the picture on the